All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. You can just ignore my hair because that is not the point that you're here. So today I ran out of ideas, and one of the things that came to my mind was a lot of people have been asking how many times have I been shocked as an electrician. So I wanted to go over these scenarios as best as I remember. Some of these go back probably like 8 or 9 years. So I'm going to go over all the instances that I remember. I've probably been shocked around 20 times. So I probably remember about 13 of them or 14 of them. So I'm just going to go over in order from first to last as best as I remember, and why exactly this happened. So the first time I ever got shocked was on a ground wire in a junction box in a panel room. It was a exposed copper ground in a Romex. Don't know why there was this ghost voltage. So that wasn't my fault at all. So there was just 60 volts on this ground wire for some reason. Something was backfeeding or something. So that was the first time I ever got shocked. I was like, that felt weird. And then I like touched it again. And I was like, yeah, there's something on that. So that was my first experience being shocked. And then at a different job site, one of the journeymen that I was working for always told me to check the breakers in the panel. Like if you go to break or if you go to lunch or even if you just walk out of the room or whatnot. So of course I didn't, and I got shocked not once but twice. I'm not sure if it was the same day or not, and it might have been the same circuit, but one of the breakers was on. I was working on the refrigerator, and yeah, I got zapped twice, and I don't know if one of them brushed my finger, but I had like a little like electrical scar for a while, like where my skin was kind of raised. I don't really see it anymore. I can't really find it, but I had like this electrical burn kind of mark on my finger for I don't know, several years probably. So that was three of them. And then another time I was plugging, I don't even want to talk about it. I was plugging in an extension cord in the rain, and I got zapped like 9 times, and I don't even want to talk about it. So don't plug in electrical cords. I was plugging like two cords together. Everything was wet, and then yeah, so I had to keep doing that for work, but maybe I probably should have plugged them in first and then plug it into the outlet. But yeah, try to dry your hands and stuff like that. So the fridge circuit could have been avoided by just turning off the breakers and checking the circuits. The first one wasn't really my fault, and the other one, yeah, don't plug stuff in the rain, especially if it's the one side's already plugged into the wall or whatnot. So yeah, try to avoid it at all cost, plugging stuff in the rain, and don't leave stuff in puddles or anything like that. Another one was, this was the highest voltage, which was about, I think it was between 208 and like 220. I think it was around like, yeah, 208 to 223 or something like that. So anyways, I asked my coworker to go turn the breakers off. He said it was off. And then as soon as I went to touch the wires, I got zapped. And that was his fault for lying to me and not turning off the right breaker, and my fault for not checking. So definitely don't put your life or anything like that in other people's hands. Always check the circuit for yourself and know that it is off, because he said it was off and he was like, oh, I thought you just wanted the lower voltage breakers off. No. So anyways, that was the cause of that one and how to avoid that one. And yeah, I guess those are all the ones that I had written down. So a lot of these can be avoided if you just check the circuits for yourself and don't make dumb decisions. So that's pretty much all the ones that I remember. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully you learned something and took something away that you can, that'll help you to stay safer, and not make some of the mistakes that I have. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. I would appreciate it. It would help the channel grow, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Don't forget to check the description down below for anything else. I just updated and added my link tree, which is like the best thing ever. So I deleted like 1,000 characters or whatever, 1,000 words in the description, and just added the link tree as the first link. It's incredible. So if you guys want to check that out, I got all my stuff there. Makes it a lot easier. So you just click one of the things in the link tree and it takes you right to where you want to go. So I got all my other things in there, my YouTube channel, all my referrals, if you guys want to check that out, my Twitch account, all that stuff. So check out the link tree, it's amazing. So sign up for one if you want to. No affiliate at all, but it's just an awesome platform that I just found out about. I've known about it for a while, but I've always put it off making one. So it's incredible, it's super easy. Do it, it's awesome if you have a lot of links that you want to share. And then lastly, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And if you have any video ideas that you want me to cover tomorrow or talk about or whatnot, drop them down below so I can make a video tomorrow. If not, maybe I'll try to do something in the garage, but I have something at 2 p.m. that I have to attend to, so I have to leave by like 1 p.m. So depending on when I wake up, I'm not sure how much time I'll have. So leave me some ideas if there's something you want me to cover. Thank you guys so much. God bless. See you in the next one. Peace out.